Humanity has always looked to the skies, dreaming of a world where we could soar above traffic, bypass borders, and commute in 3 dimensions. For centuries, flying cars have been the stuff of science fiction, capturing our imaginations and fueling our hopes for a more liberated future. But what if I told you that this once distant dream is now closer to reality than ever before? Today, we're diving deep into the world of flying cars, exploring the cutting-edge technologies, ambitious companies, and potential implications of this revolutionary mode of transportation. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will take us from ancient wonders to the forefront of innovation. Get ready to have your mind blown. 1. What are flying cars? At its core, a flying car is a vehicle that seamlessly transitions between driving on roads and taking to the skies. It's a hybrid machine that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of an aircraft. The concept has been around for over a century, with early pioneers like Glenn Curtiss and Henry Ford attempting to build the first practical flying cars in the early 1900s. However, limitations in technology and infrastructure prevented these early attempts from taking off. Today, thanks to advancements in materials science, propulsion systems, and autonomous flight software, flying cars are no longer just a figment of our imagination. They are becoming a tangible reality, poised to revolutionize the way we travel and experience the world. 2. Types of flying cars. Flying cars come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own set of advantages and challenges. Let's explore some of the most prominent types. Vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. These are perhaps the most iconic type of flying car, capable of taking off and landing vertically like a helicopter. This eliminates the need for long runways, making them ideal for urban environments with limited space. VTOL aircraft typically use electric motors or hybrid propulsion systems, offering quiet and efficient operation. Hybrid. These combine traditional internal combustion engines with electric motors, offering a balance of range and power. Hybrid flying cars can take off and land conventionally on runways, but also have the ability to hover and maneuver in tight spaces. Autonomous. The ultimate goal for many flying car developers is to create fully autonomous vehicles that can navigate and pilot themselves without human intervention. This would make air travel accessible to everyone, regardless of their piloting skills. Advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning algorithms are being developed to make this vision a reality. Electric versus powered. While some flying cars rely on conventional gasoline or diesel engines, there's a growing trend towards electric propulsion. Electric flying cars offer several advantages, including zero emissions, reduced noise pollution, and lower operating costs. However, challenges remain in terms of battery technology and range limitations. 3. Key companies and models. The race to develop the first commercially viable flying car is heating up, with numerous companies vying for a spot in this burgeoning industry. Let's take a look at some of the top contenders and their groundbreaking models. Terrafugia. This pioneering company has been working on flying cars for over a decade. Their transition model is a rotable aircraft with foldable wings, allowing it to seamlessly transition between driving and flying. Joby Aviation. Backed by Toyota and Uber, Joby Aviation is developing an all-electric VTOL aircraft designed for air taxi services. Their prototype has already completed over 1,000 test flights and is expected to enter commercial service in the near future. Lilium. This German company is also focused on VTOL electric aircraft for air taxi applications. Their unique jet-powered design promises high speeds and long range, making it suitable for regional travel as well. Aeromobil. Based in Slovakia, Aeromobil has developed a hybrid flying car with retractable wings. Their latest model, the Aeromobil 4.0, is designed to be both a practical car and a capable aircraft. PAL-V. This Dutch company is behind the PAL-V Liberty, a 3-wheel gyrocopter that can convert into a road-legal vehicle in minutes. It offers a unique blend of driving and flying experiences. These are just a few examples of the many companies pushing the boundaries of flying car technology. With new players entering the market and exciting prototypes being unveiled regularly, the future of flying cars is looking brighter than ever. 4. Technologies behind flying cars. Developing a safe, reliable, and efficient flying car requires a convergence of cutting-edge technologies. let's explore some of the key innovations that are making this dream a reality. Propulsion systems. Flying cars rely on a variety of propulsion systems, each with its own advantages and trade-offs. Electric motors are becoming increasingly popular due to their quiet operation and zero emissions. However, battery technology is still a limiting factor in terms of range and power. Hybrid systems, which combine electric motors with internal combustion engines, offer a balance of efficiency and range. They can operate on electricity for short trips and switch to fuel for longer journeys. Some flying cars even utilize jet engines or innovative distributed propulsion systems, which involve multiple small propellers strategically placed around the vehicle. These systems offer improved maneuverability, redundancy, and potentially even vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Autonomous flight. One of the most exciting aspects of flying cars is the potential for autonomous flight. This would eliminate the need for a pilot's license, making air travel accessible to a wider audience. Advanced sensors, including LiDAR, radar, and cameras, allow flying cars to perceive their surroundings and navigate safely. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms process this sensor data in real time, enabling the vehicle to make intelligent decisions and avoid obstacles. While fully autonomous flying cars are still in development, significant progress is being made. Companies like eHang and Volocopter are already conducting test flights with autonomous prototypes, paving the way for a future where anyone can take to the skies. Safety is of paramount importance in the development of flying cars. Engineers are incorporating a range of innovative safety features to ensure the well-being of passengers and those on the ground. Redundant systems are a common theme, with multiple backups for critical components like engines, propellers, and flight control systems. This ensures that even if one system fails, the vehicle can still operate safely. Ballistic parachutes are another important safety feature, designed to deploy in case of an emergency and gently lower the vehicle to the ground. Some flying cars even have entire vehicle ballistic recovery systems, which can eject the passenger cabin in the event of a catastrophic failure. Other safety innovations include advanced collision avoidance systems, which use sensors and AI to detect and avoid potential hazards in the air and on the ground. Airbags and reinforced passenger compartments provide additional protection in the event of an impact. 5. Implications and uses. The widespread adoption of flying cars has the potential to transform our world in profound ways. Let's explore some of the most significant implications and uses. Urban transformation. Imagine a world where traffic congestion is a thing of the past. Flying cars could alleviate gridlock by opening up a whole new dimension for commuting. Imagine zipping above traffic jams, reaching your destination in a fraction of the time. Urban landscapes could also be transformed, with rooftops and elevated platforms becoming landing pads for flying cars. This could lead to more efficient use of space and the creation of vibrant, multi-level cities. Environmental impact. The shift towards electric propulsion in flying cars could have a positive impact on the environment. Electric vehicles produce zero emissions, reducing air pollution and contributing to a cleaner, healthier planet. Additionally, the ability to bypass traffic congestion could lead to overall fuel savings and reduced carbon emissions. Societal changes. Flying cars could revolutionize various aspects of our society. Emergency response times could be drastically reduced, with flying ambulances and rescue vehicles able to reach remote or disaster-stricken areas quickly. Commuting to work or school could become a breeze, with flying cars offering faster and more convenient travel options. Access to healthcare, education, and other essential services could be improved, especially in rural and underserved communities. New forms of recreation and tourism could also emerge, with flying cars enabling scenic aerial tours, adventure sports, and even personal air travel for leisure. 6. Challenges and hurdles. While the future of flying cars looks promising, several challenges and hurdles must be overcome before they become a mainstream reality. Regulatory issues. Airspace management and certification processes are complex and need to evolve to accommodate flying cars. Regulators must establish clear rules and guidelines for the safe operation of these vehicles, addressing issues like air traffic control, pilot licensing, and noise restrictions. Technical barriers. Battery technology is a major hurdle for electric flying cars. Current batteries are still limited in terms of energy density and range, hindering the development of long-distance or heavy payload flying vehicles. Noise pollution is another concern. Flying cars, especially those with multiple propellers, can be quite loud. Engineers are working on developing quieter propulsion systems and noise reduction technologies to minimize their impact on urban environments. Infrastructure development is also crucial. Cities will need to adapt their infrastructure to accommodate flying cars, including building landing pads, charging stations, and air traffic management systems. Public acceptance. Convincing the public that flying cars are safe, reliable, and affordable is essential for their widespread adoption. Many people are understandably apprehensive about sharing the skies with personal aircraft. Educating the public about the safety features and benefits of flying cars will be crucial. Additionally, addressing concerns about noise pollution and potential accidents will be important for gaining public trust and acceptance. 7. The future of flying cars. The future of flying cars is filled with endless possibilities. As technology continues to advance and regulatory frameworks evolve, we can expect to see a gradual integration of flying cars into our transportation systems. While the transition to a flying car-enabled society will take time, the potential benefits are undeniable. It's a future worth striving for, a future where the sky's the limit. The dream of flying cars is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction. It's a tangible reality that is rapidly approaching. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of transportation, let's embrace the possibilities, address the challenges, and work together to create a future where the skies are open to all.